Welcome back. Now, if you have access to GPTs through your ChatGPT Plus account, you can also create and program your own GPTs for your own specific use case for ChatGPT. To do that, you can go to your GPTs area where it says Explore GPTs. You can then click this button that says Create a GPT. You will then go through a process with a GPT Builder wizard. And basically, this process allows you to answer the questions of ChatGPT to create your own use case for ChatGPT. You will then have your own specific use cases for ChatGPT to use it in specific ways. With your GPT, you can go to the edit pencil once it has been completed. You can go to these ellipses and you can click on copy link. You can then make the link to your GPT available to other individuals that may want to use it, or you can make it available for a specific business use case. You can also go to this area where the button says Save and click the drop-down menu. And you'll see here that you have some publication options. You can publish it so it's only available to you. You can publish it to anyone with a link, or you can make it publicly available inside of the GPT search area. So you can create your own specific GPTs. You can make it available just to yourself, or you can make it available to the public or with anyone with a link for your specific use. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.